Hi, I'm Joan, and this is How to Use Rootle. When you open the app, the audio for the root and meaning plays.
Urine,
Tap to hear audio for the guess word.
glycosuria,
Type your best guess for the meaning, or don't type anything at all. I understand that sometimes you just want to get to the answer. And tap Show Meaning to see a brief dictionary definition. How did you do? Every root has 2 or 3 guess words. Swipe left to get to the next one. You can also swipe back and forth to study the words for each root. When you're ready, swipe to the next root and guess those words. That is the core function of Rootle. If you're on a word that you think you could guess if only you saw another root, search for it here.
bad,
Then go back to the word you were studying. In the settings, you can download the audio so you can use Rootle when you don't have an internet connection. You can change your audio preferences for a male or female voice and turn off the automatic audio for the root and meaning when you swipe to new roots.
Dyspareunia.
You can sort and filter the order in which roots appear. Each month we upload new content. Tap to go straight to it. You can sort alphabetically or sort the biological systems. And when you close the app, Rootle will pick up at the same spot the next time you open it. Do you want to read the Rootle UI in your native language of French, Simplified, Chinese, Arabic, Portuguese, or Spanish? You can do that.
Audi. Hearing or sound. Audiometer.
The roots, audio, and meanings are all in English, since this is the app for learning English medical vocabulary. Push notifications alert you when we upload new terms at the beginning of each month. Thanks for watching, and ask me if you have any other questions.